Hi guys, welcome back to Eloquens.com. As you know, the FIFA 2018 World Cup is about to start, and many of you must already be getting excited about the coming fixtures. Eloquens author Finance 3.1 has launched Foot Forecast, a free Excel forecast contest allowing players to guess the results of World Cup matches, create leagues, and beat their colleagues, friends, or other companies. Finance 3.1 is a team of Excel-savvy experts in financial modeling working for large companies who very much enjoy showing their passion for Excel models, including for the FIFA World Cup. So how do you play the game? Well, it's simple. First, download and fill your forecast file from the top of the homepage on Eloquens.com. Then, check the latest stats about the teams if you need some inspiration or if you're not a football expert. Upload your file on footforecast.com before the opening of the World Cup, which is June the 14th, 2018, at exactly 4 PM London time. May the best forecaster win! Looking forward to seeing you on Eloquens.com soon. Happy publishing!